Hello traders, today I'm going to develop a video for this comment, and he's asking here if the last digit equals 0, purchase differs. If result is loss, check last two digits to get the same odd number except 1, 1 and purchase differs with using the martingale to cover the loss. Okay, I'm going to develop a video for this comment today, and first I'm going to probabale's website. You can find the link in the video description. It's probabale.com. And from here, I'm logging to Deriv Platform. Even you can log into Deriv Platform also. I think it's easy for me to develop the bot in Deriv Platform, so I'm logging through this. Okay, first I will reset the bot. Then I will change the marker to synthetic indices, continuous indices, and volatility 10 index. Then I'm changing the trade type to digits and match differs, and contract type I will change it to differs because it's asking only differs. Okay, so first I will create martingale as he requests. So I will create a new variable for stake. Then I will take it and connect it here. Then I will set stake to 1 and take this variable stake and connect to stake. Okay, then I will go to logic and take this if code block. If result is in, I will go to after purchase, then take this code block and connect it here. Then if result is win, we want to set this same stake, that means initial stake. So I will take this set to stake, then set stake to 1. Else, if result is lost, I will go to this variable and take stake and set stake to math. Again go to variable and take this stake and stake plus 1. Plus 1, no, we don't want it. Stake multiplied by, let's say, 11, because for the digits trading, the differs profit percentage is only about 9 to 10 percentage. So I will set martingale to 11. So now we want to do is, first thing, if last digit is equal, purchase differs. So I go to logic and take this code block and connect it to second code block. If, then I go to tick analysis. Here I can find last digit. If last digit, then I go to logic and take this code block and connect it here. Then I will put last digit inside that. If last digit is equal, I want to set 0, then purchase differs. Then what is his requirement? If result is lost, check last two digits to get the same odd number except 1, 1. So what I need to do here is go to tick analysis and take this code block. This block is called a neurotic. Then I will create a variable to save my last two ticks. So first I will create tick 1. Then I will create a variable tick 2. Then I take this and connect it here, and I will change the tick 1. Now I want to set tick 1 to, I will go to list. In list, get the number from the end. I'll take this code block and connect it here and change here to number from the end. Then I will delete this block and I'm going to tick analysis, advanced, and I'll take this last digit list and connect it here. I want to get the number from the end 1 for the tick 1. Then I'll right click on this and duplicate and connect it here and change this tick 1 to tick 2. And again I will change the number from the end 2. Okay, now what I will do, if result is lost, we want to do this. So I will take another variable for loss checking. I will name it loss check. Then I take that variable and connect it here. If result is lost, set loss check to 1. I will duplicate this. If result is win, set loss check to 0. So now I want to go to logic and take this if code block and connect it here. If what we need to do is if loss check equal 1, we need to analyze 2 ticks. So what I need to do is if loss check equal 1, then if I'll go to logic and take this and again go to variable and go to tick 1. Then I go to math and I will take this code block and connect it here. If tick 1 is odd, then I will duplicate this and connect it here. And if tick 2 is odd, this is our first condition, is mentioning get the same odd number except 1. So now we want to add another code block to make the logic accept 1 if and go to logic and take this code block and connect it here. Again take variable tick 1. If tick 1 not equal to 1, again I will duplicate this and connect it here. Tick 2 is also not equal to 1, then purchase differs. Else if loss check is not equal to 1, then we want to trade with only analyzing 1 digit. So this is done. So to check the last digit, I will create a notification. I will take this notify and connect it here. Then I will go to text and take this and connect it here, and I will add another text item. Again, I will go to text and connect this comment box and type last digits. Then I will add another item here, and I will go to text and take another comment box, and I will add comma there. Then I go to variable, take tick 1 and connect it here. Again go to variable, take tick 2 and connect it here. Okay, we need to add another variable here. Variable for this same odd number. So I will go to logic and take this if code block and connect it here. And again go to logic and take this code block and connect it here. And go to variable, take tick 1. Again go to variable, take tick 2. Then I add purchase inside that. Now let's check the bot. Okay, last digit 0 appeared, so first digit deferred rate has been taken and it was 1. We have to wait until one trade is lost. Okay, after 23 trades, we have found a lost in 24th trade. So let's check what's happening here. We want to wait. Same number, two odd numbers. If one appear, we don't need to take a trade. If another two odd numbers, same numbers appear, the bot should place a trade. Let's check whether this bot is doing it or not. One appeared. This does not take a trade. Okay, two same odd numbers appeared 9, 9. Then bot placed the martingale trade. So we can say that this bot is working fine. And again 0 appeared, then bot going back to the normal trading. So this bot is working fine. Now let's check whether this bot is working in Pro Plus bot side. What's debot platform? I'm going to debot platform and I'll upload the bot file here. Then let's run it. Okay, bot is working now also. So you can run this bot in both debot platform and binary bot platform. If you have any questions like this, you can comment here. Or if you want these code blocks, you can go to ProPlusBot's website and go to Learn tab here. And from these code blocks, you can download the code blocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.